stop. Can you wait 5 minutes?
Right. Oh, here it
There we
is.
go.
Coming behind us. Golden Pass Line.
Oh, this is the Golden Pass line. We're going on
There you go.
one of the Golden Pass lines later. I don't know, it's this one. Hello and welcome back. So we're now on the trip to Interlaken. Taking a quick stop off on our tour to find our toilet. There was also level crossing back there. We saw a train pass, which is one of the Golden Pass lines. We are going on one of the Golden Pass lines, not that particular one, but one of them when we go from Interlaken to Lucerne. Ooh. Now, hang on, what is this? What have we found here? Well, well, well. Looks like this might be more than just a toilet break after all. Well, whatever this railway thing is, it starts here, but it looks like whatever it is definitely not used at the moment. I think it's a bit too narrow to be actually, it could be rideable. It's about Brookside gauge, a bit smaller, but there's nothing on it, so it's just a little track that goes nowhere.
You don't ask, you don't get. I'm quite surprised. No one's riding that. But
It's a model. Oh, it is rideable.
oh, kidding.
It's a rideable miniature railway. Well, this is an unexpected joy, isn't it? Here we are on a tiny miniature railway by some road in Switzerland. Well, that was an unexpected delight. A tiny, personally run miniature railway by a road in Switzerland. No idea what it's called. Put a little thing when I found out. But it doesn't have any schedule. He just got it out for us, which was really nice. He built it himself, and apparently he was in Accrington, a guy, building a new one there. So there's a new miniature railway opening in Accrington near Manchester, which I did not know about. So I'll add that one to the list for Duncan and I to go visit sometime. There's also the actual mainline railway over there, although I think that is also narrow gauge. I think that's one of the Golden Pass lines, and the scenery around is wonderful. Back into the car.
Yep.
That was fun. Hello YouTube, I'm at Manchester Airport. This is an EasyJet flight. We're going to Geneva. After about half an hour searching up and down this road and almost falling off a cliff twice, we have finally found Le Diableret, which is this enormous cable car. Actually, Diableret is the name of the area and the town we just went to. which had a parade. It was all very American style. We were wondering why, and then there was a guy who came past dressed up as Trump, and it was that point we realised that the Swiss had put on this entire festival for the sole purpose of taking the piss out of Donald Trump.